Hello mga besh, another day, another vlog, and today we are heading to our next destination, Brisbane, Australia. Let's go! Around 2 p.m. na nung umalis kami ng Melbourne at nakarating kami ng Brisbane Airport mga 3 p.m. na. This time, we are having our dinner at Creme Plaza Surfers Paradise and we went up to the Horizon Sky Dining. As usual, wala na naman kaming video sa kainan. Syempre, nauna na naman ang chikahan with the Filipino manager sa hotel. We stayed overnight at Voco Gold Coast and as always, maaga na namang nagising ang besyo nyo for a morning walk. Then for lunch, we headed to Hotel Indigo Brisbane City Center at Izakaya Publico. Ang sarap din ng mga pagkain doon, Diyos ko. Habang nasa biyahe kami, hindi talaga ako naboboard. Ang gaganda ng tanawin, ang lawak ng kalsada, very relaxing. Next up, our final hotel for Brisbane, Intercontinental Sanctuary Cove Resort. Shout out to Mark and Michelle, our reservations managers, for accommodating us. Work mode muna tayo guys, hotel familiarization again. We check different kinds of rooms and suites. Sobrang laki ng property na to as in. Kailangan pa namin ng baggy car para malibot ang buong lugar. Thanks Michelle for the tour. And of course, we wrap up the night with a great dinner at Veranda Restaurant and Bar. Ang sasarap ng pagkain, parang lahat naman ata masarap sa atin. Napansin nyo ba? Gumising na naman ng maaga ang besyo nyo para maglakad-lakad. Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga ang lugar na to. Malayang nakakagala ang mga kangaroos. As a Filipino na first time makakita ng kangaroos, gusto ko talaga silang iuwi kung pwede lang. Uwi and time na mga besh, hulaan nyo kung saan tayo next pupunta. Again, this is your Beshing Gala. Until next time, bye!